My name is Marina, and I am a data analyst at LS Retail. In this video, I will present to you the Actionable Insights Analytics report for LS Central. Among many interesting offerings, LS Central provides you with the business intelligence solution Actionable Insights, a solution where you can define and configure your Business Central workspace with alerts for your specific business KPIs, rules, and goals. Detailed information about it can be found at our LS Central online help page. The report Actionable Insights Analytics derives from this solution and can be found under LS Central modules, Analytics, Reports, Actionable Insights. By clicking at the report link directly, you can open and interact with the report with sample data. The Actionable Insights report is a product of which KPIs you decide that are important to your business and should be monitored. Each KPI performance or status is calculated based on rules with expected score value ranges. If a KPI is outside the expected value range, an alert will be created, and an optional notification can be sent. The report is structured to reflect this order into different sections that provide awareness towards your KPI's performance and development, following alerts and consequent notifications. A section offering the overview for the impact score or degree of severity that is attributed to each KPI, a section for the alerts created and their details, as well as a section with the details over the consequent notifications that can be triggered with the alerts. A final dashboard entails the Action Hub main indicators bringing attention to the business overall processes efficiency results. Finally, for data governance, all data assets for the report foundational semantic model can be found under the Dataset Items report page. And if looking to query your data directly with natural language, you can navigate to the Ask Your Data section. Let's dive into a few report pages to understand the insights this report can provide to your business. The Action Hub dashboard compiles key metrics in a single, easy-to-view interface page. Here, you can verify the KPI status or the percentage of KPIs without alerts by each hierarchical KPI division and store, as well as the number and status of alerts for yesterday, following their categorization under KPI family and group description. The KPI status is defined so that if the percentage of KPIs without alerts is above 81%, then the status is classified as green, and if lower than 33%, then marked red. In between lies the cautionary yellow. Further, we can dive into the details of the impact score by KPI hierarchy under the KPI Overview report page. Here, each KPI is quantified and represented according to the impact score results. A KPI tree view is delivered so that easily the weight distribution of different KPIs and respective groups and hierarchies can be identified for analysis. The Alerts report page is dedicated to the understanding of the alert development over time, reflecting the progress of the business health vital signs. This alert development over time is breakdown to the store level at the Alerts by Store report page, giving the business analyst the opportunity to pinpoint the root cause for the alerts. The Notifications report page provides information on the number of notifications that have been sent upon alert triggering. The ability to react and provide response to these alert notifications can be fundamental to the business success. This ability can be analyzed by navigating to the tabs Time to Close and Time to Review, where the average time to review and close a notification is exposed by notification severity. If you would like to find out more and install our analytics product package to access and connect your own data to the Actionable Insights Analytics report, go to LS Central Online Help, LS Central Modules, Analytics, Onboarding Process, where you can learn all about it. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next time.